What does it take to survive, defend and win the fight in the extreme cold? What does it take to maintain effectiveness in one of the world's cruelest environments? What does it take to locate, close with and destroy the enemy in the Arctic landscape? It takes specifically designed clothing and equipment. It takes industry leaders implementing the latest, most innovative and progressive technology. It takes decades of applied research and development. It takes a team. It takes a tribe. It takes Brigantes.